Did you know 9 experienced hikers once died in the most impossible way imaginable? In 1959, they were camping in Russia's freezing mountains when something made them cut their way out of their tent from the inside in negative 30-degree weather. Then they walked barefoot into the wilderness and died. But here's where your brain breaks. Some died from hypothermia, sure, but others had massive internal injuries, like they had been hit by a truck. Except there were no trucks for hundreds of miles. One hiker was missing her tongue and eyes. Their skin had this weird orange tan, and some of their clothes were radioactive. For 60 years, people fought everything from military weapons to Yeti attacks. Then in 2021, scientists cracked it using physics from Disney's Frozen movie. Turns out there's this invisible avalanche made of air that can literally punch you to death without leaving a mark. The universe created a weather phenomenon so rare and violent that it took us 6 decades and a cartoon about ice princesses to figure it out.